I look out at this gathering, I'm reminded of the power of to introduce you my deputy, who is
even if I had 10,000 times, it still won't be enough. He has done so much for me, I cannot tell it all.
a simple man as usual with a simple profile. I'm honored to stand before you today on this joyous occasion as we gather to give thanks for the outstanding performance in the 2024 primary living examinations. Congratulations to all of us, and most especially, congratulations to me to be the best head teacher of the year. First and foremost, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Reverend Father Raymond, the main celebrant of today's Thanksgiving service. Your presence here today is a blessing, and we are grateful for your spiritual guidance and support. Your prophetic words and prayers have done that we would make a remarkable record. To be sincere to you, Father, I was scared. You see all those spellings? They were looking at me. It was my first time as the head teacher of this school. But you said it in your words when you were seated in my office, that you are going to make a record and it will be remarkable nationwide. And indeed it was. You also prayed for me because I wanted to show my bosses that at least this school can expand. I requested you to pray for me such that I can convince my bosses to buy the land adjacent to our school. Father, you told me that before November ends, that land would have been bought, and indeed it was bought, and our school expanded. This year can increase, and I want to tell you that we've never recruited pupils like the way we've done it this year. Thank you, Father. You are indeed a prophet. Allow me officially inform you that our school was ranked the best according to the national ranking of primary schools. When you refer to the new vision and daily monitor, you can see what we did in Mukono municipality and the district at large. Not only that, we topped the schools in the distribution of aggregate force as we scored 36, and our second runner, the secondary school scored only 22, and I think you can see. Thank you, Father, for all the prayers. I want to be specific to appreciate your choir, and in special, but even teachers solicited some funds, and during that time, they will deliver. Thank you, Lynn. The swallow, gate 4, please just come forward. Amakula Dani, where is Masanga God? Play that.
We are a chosen generation. We've been called for to show His excellence.
I've also now all our Dr. Namala and Zizino envelope, Mr. Kafube's envelope.
And I'm so
Plus the liver, plus an umbrella. Miss Victoria Lydian.
He has done it for you, and you will come back. You will not see him change. That man can change your life from zero.
Primary 7 class. Chairperson. Joseph. Mr. Gita Andrews is here. Miss Akos, Mr. made it. Dear teachers say we made it. And even on my shirt it's there, we made it. To be specific, I want to appreciate my secretary, Madame Juliet Nations. To our church, I have some special rewards to present to the following most outstanding individuals who have made a significant contribution to our success, to allow us to be part of your program. And if you have allowed us, please, allow me deliver this envelope to support that activity.
I'm a celebrated choreographer, and I'm here to introduce to you a very special performance. I'm here to introduce to you a very wonderful performance on such a wonderful day. Now go this side. Come on, candidates. How are we going to go? Are you ready? You know how we do it. So, ladies and gentlemen, the peace.
Said happiness and fulfillment belongs to us. What we are celebrating now is our hard work. The hard work of everybody, beginning from the proprietors of the school management committee, the PTA, the administration, teachers and learners. That is what has brought us happiness we celebrate today. With those few words, I want to call upon the coming pupils that we have begun, and as Mr. Moda said, you are going to break the record this year, 2025. And you are not only going to get 36, all of you who are going to sit will score aggregate 4 and by mistake aggregate 5. So if you are a parent and you are here, you know very well that 2025 we shall come back here and everybody is going to receive a gift where there is aggregate 4 and by mistake aggregate 5. I submit further. Thank you very much. Conspecialized all of those 6 areas. No wonder when other people were having challenges, these people knew it all. And the learners did not find problems in the, as also somebody in the academics. I want to tell you that the teachers of this school very much employed what one of the educators by the names of John Dewey called upon, that in teaching you must have learner-centered method and you must have hands-on experience. And I think that is what the teachers did here. Teachers maintain, Mr. Moda, maintain learner-centered method and hands-on. That is what has brought all of this. Next, further, when we are teaching, we do examine the learners. And one of the scholars and researcher by the names of Benjamin Blooms, in what they call in educational Bloom's, which turned out to be Bloom's taxonomy, which was revisited in 2001. Candidates, you all know when we are interacting via computer, and the incoming.
You were discussing and you would report to my office every morning. I have to say one thing to all the parents here. One, thank you for coming back to thank. Many don't come back. Number 2, trust the process. You're good at what you do. And you've done it for a long time. Thank you. Token of appreciation to inform you that welcome to the world of those who have gotten results. This is also an opportunity to tell you that another record needs to be set, because ours is not a one-hit wonder. You have to be part of us all the time. This is an expression from the office of the principal and the management, the school management committee, that you've given so many envelopes. This one is really big. Please enjoy when your time still lasts. Thank you very much, and God bless you. You've nailed it. Mine are two things. So Brian, you've given everybody. But as a principal, there is always a policy that when you excel, we reward you. I don't know when we started this vibe, but the official one is here. May you please come forward?
Wow. Yes.